World Pharmacist Day. This day was established by the International Pharmaceutical Federation (FIP), the Global Federation of National Association of Pharmacists and Pharmaceutical Scientists, which is in official relations with the World Health Organization. In 2009, during Council meeting of FIP Congress in Istanbul, the Turkish Pharmacist Association suggested to annually celebrate a World Pharmacist Day to be organized on September 25th. Each year there is theme announced for the World Pharmacist Day. Those in the industry promote the themes worldwide. These themes help pharmacists put together national campaigns that showcase their work. A pharmacist is a healthcare professional licensed to engage in pharmacy with duties including dispensing prescription drugs, monitoring drug interaction, administering vaccine, and counseling patients regarding the effect and proper usage of drugs and dietary supplements. Pharmacists working in collaboration with other healthcare providers undertake responsibility for their patient outcomes with great respect to their drug therapy. The principal task of the modern pharmacist is to identify, resolve, and prevent drug-related problems. FIP came into existence in 1912 in September, so every year World Pharmacist Day was celebrated on 25th September. The pharmaceutical industry holds a variety of educational activities for the World Pharmacy Day. These include lectures, exhibitions, and activities that demonstrate how pharmacies help adults and children. And last, I would like to thank to all pharmacists for their hard working and responsibilities. Thank you.